Hello, lovely friends. Thank you so much for being here today. I'm trying out an exciting new style today, created by my lovely friend Michael from Michael's Making Art. It's a wandering straight pour, so I'm really excited to try it out and see how it goes. I've got a bit of an ombre set of colours today, and the main rules with this style, if you like, are that you have some negative space in the middle and you have a metallic colour, and that's it. The rest of it is a wandering straight pour. So let's have a look at this new creation today. So I've got my negative space in the middle, that's the titanium white, and then I'm just going to layer up my colours, starting off with the lovely oriental violet from Pepio, and I've got some metallic pink, and then I'm layering it up with my dark cobalt violet, which is a lovely colour, and I've got my blue, cerulean blue, and the metallic I'm using today is only a touch of metallic, and it's the Precious Gold by Pepio. So I'm going to layer up these colours for you now, and then I'm going to pour them and just have fun with it. So I'm going to leave you some music. I've done the wandering pour. I'm going to come back with my palette knife and make a few adjustments, and then show you the close-ups of the wet and dried result. I'm interested to know what you see. Quite an ethereal sort of feel came through of this one, and just enjoy the process as I layer up the paints and show you how these colours are going to wander around the negative space. See you shortly. So I'm playing with my palette knife now, and I'm just really enjoying just allowing the palette knife just to pick up some of the colours and move it through the paint. I just love, there's a bit of a bit in the paint there, so I had to move it out of the way. And that's the thing, when you make a mistake, or something's there that you don't want to have there and you want to change it, you can just move it off the canvas, and then you can put some more of that pillow paint on. And I'm just spreading it across now with a hairdryer, and that dried really nicely. So when I try these different things and I experiment, which is pretty much every week in some way, I just love to hear what you think of my experiment and what you're experimenting on at the moment. I love seeing new ideas and unique ways of trying fluid art. It's always such a joy, and I'm just really enjoying a few channels at the moment in particular who are really experimental. So let's keep learning, loving, supporting and creating together. Here's the dry result coming up, and I was so excited to try this today, so thank you so much for being here. I'd love to know what you see. For me, it feels a bit like an ethereal, almost avatar river coming up to the surface with those bubbles and little waves. I really love the vibrancy of this piece. It's just got flow, and I really enjoyed doing it. So if you fancy trying this, check out this video here and have a look at Michael's video. He compares this with a straight wandering pool. And my lovely sweet friend Christy from Creations by Christy has also given it a go, so have a look at her channel and have a little look at her wandering pool, the Odyssey. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day. Happy creating, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.